With the help of graphene heaters and starch-based material, Hong Kong University of Science and Technology researchers have unveiled a 3D printing food solution. Supported by a generative algorithm using Python script, the printer is capable of creating unique food patterns on the fly. Utilizing the built-in generative AI, the printer responds to user prompts. The printer then builds the design accessible before and after to the user's liking. From there, the starch-based material is intricately cooked whilst printing to meet the user's end goal. Typically, 3D printing food requires extensive post-processing, leading to issues with unappealing ingredients, imperfect shape, or even microbial contamination. To aid the problem, researchers surrounded the extrusion head with the previously mentioned graphene heaters. This allows the food to cook as it is printed within a controlled temperature range. The printed food therefore keeps its shape and quality. With the help of generative AI, the printer opens avenues of opportunity addressing challenges the food industry faces. Printing food could benefit those with special dietary needs as well as patients with dysphagia. For the future, researchers would like to refine the technology to include preservation of heat-sensitive vitamins. Furthermore, the team intends to tailor the starch for better digestibility. These results will be focused around consumer acceptance, utilizing sensory evaluation. This would include users such as children, which would further ensure the system is prepared for real-world applications.